Hi, friends. Welcome to another edition of Learning Lab. All right. So, guys, we are going to be doing something really fun this morning. See, Mr. Sessions has on his special glasses that's going to help him through our experiment today. All right. So, our experiment today is going to be, how do clouds make rain? How do clouds make rain, right? So, we're going to get into that. First, I want to show you what materials I have, right? I have to show you all the materials that we're going to be using. Our first material, a clear jar. This is our clear jar, right? Our next item or object or thing that we're going to be using is water. We are going to be using water. Next is our clouds, which we will be using shaving cream for, okay? So our shaving cream is going to be our clouds. And lastly is our blue food coloring, right? Our blue food coloring, because that's going to represent our rain, okay? Mr. Sessions also brought paper towel in case he has a spill, all right? All right, so we will be getting started, but I have a prediction. A prediction is something you think is going to happen. Mr. Sessions has a prediction. I think that the water will turn blue and the cream or clouds will sink to the bottom of our jar. What do you think? All right, so let's get started. So the first thing that we are gonna do, number one, we are gonna fill our jar with water, right? And our water is gonna represent our air, like the air outside, okay? So now Mr. Sessions has to figure out how much water we're gonna use, but I have a clue, okay? I'm gonna keep pouring. I want you to tell me when to stop, okay? All right. We're pouring our air into our jar. Don't forget to tell me when to stop. Don't forget to tell me when to stop. All right, I'm going to stop right there. Now, we have another step. Step two. Step two is we have to put our clouds or our shaving cream on top of our air, right? Because clouds float in the sky, right? And the sky is made up of air. So we are going to be using our shaving cream as our cloud, right? To put on top of our water. You ready? This is going to be fun. Is this thing on? All right. Mr. Sessions going to give a few squirts of our clouds, right? Remember, the water is our air. Our shaving cream is our cloud, okay? Uh-oh. Mr. Sessions didn't take the cap off. Mr. Sessions didn't take the cap off. All right. Now I'm ready to put our clouds in the air or into the sky. Okay. Woo. We didn't make a mess. We did not make a mess. All right. So we have our cloud on top of our air, right? Let's bring that closer so my friends can see it. We have our cloud on top of our air, right? Step three. Step three says that we have to use our blue food coloring, which represents our rain or water. We have to put this on top of our cloud, right? We have to put this on top of our cloud. which would then become heavy, and then we're going to see what's going to happen. How many drops of rain or water should Mr. Sessions use for our cloud? I'm thinking we can do, let's get as close to 10 as we can, okay? We're going to get as close to 10 as we can, and I want you to count with me, okay? All right, I want you to count with me. You ready? All right, let's make it rain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Should I do 2 more? Let's do 2 more for good luck. 11, 12. All right. Now we have to wait to see what happens when our water or our rain gets heavy on our cloud, okay? So now we have to wait for it to rain. You guys ready? I'm ready to see what's gonna happen. I'm ready to see what's gonna happen. So now we're gonna wait, okay? We're gonna wait a few seconds to see what will happen once our rain comes through our cloud, okay? Now, Mr. Sessions may add a couple more drops, all right? So keep your eyes open. All right, I'm gonna add 3 more drops of rain, okay? One, 2, 3. One more for good luck. 4. All right, I think that's all the rain we need, okay? So now we are gonna continue to wait because Mr. Sessions feels like it's going to be raining really, really soon. Wow. Can you guys see? What do you see? So remember, our water is our air. Our shaving cream is our cloud. And our blue food coloring is our what? Our rain. All right, let's keep waiting. Woo! So, guys, Mr. Sessions has decided it hasn't begun to rain yet. So, we will have to add more blue food coloring. Okay? It's okay if we have to use more than usual. It's okay. This is a part of our experiment and being young scientists, right? All right. Let's see how much more we can add. Okay. Now we wait. Oh, it's taking a long time to rain, guys. A really, really long time to rain. Woo, let's switch up. Woo. Or, okay, I like this one better. All right. What do you see? What do you see, guys? Hold on, Mr. Sessions sweatshirt. Hold on. Hold on, I'm excited. I'm excited. What do you guys see? Let me get out the way. What do you see? What do you observe? I think that the food coloring has went through the cloud, which means what? It has started to rain. Wow, look at that. Our rain has finally come through our cloud. So rain is the water that comes down from the clouds. Rain is the water that comes from the clouds, right? Now keep in mind, rain also, it comes from the clouds. And when it touches the earth, it makes the earth better, right? It takes care of our earth. The rain comes from the clouds. Wow. It didn't rain a lot, guys, but guess what? It has definitely been some precipitation in our forecast. Wow. So I want you all to know that this is something that you can do at home, okay? This is an experiment you can do at home with your brothers, your sisters, mom, dad, or whomever you live with, okay? You can find food coloring anywhere, any grocery store, okay? Food coloring, shaving cream. Also, if you don't have shaving cream, guess what else you can use? Whipped cream. You can also use whipped cream as your cloud, okay? All right. So, Mr. Sessions had a really good time with you all today, okay? It was really fun making it rain with my friends. And I hope that if you do decide to do an experiment like this at home, that you can post it to your portfolios so that myself and everyone else can possibly see, okay? All right. Wow, guys, you did a good job helping Mr. Sessions with this experiment. I'm really, really happy. Wow, and it's still raining. So, did the cloud go to the bottom of the water? The cloud did not sink to the bottom of the water. So that means Mr. Sessions' prediction, or what he thought was going to happen, was wrong. But it's okay to be wrong, okay? Because that's how we get better, when we're wrong, right? So the cloud didn't sink to the bottom, but we had some rain. Did you guys have fun? I'll see you guys next time.